Ever wondered why just seeing someone yawn makes you want to yawn too? Scientists call this contagious yawning, and it's not about being tired. It happens because of mirror neurons in your brain, the cells that copy other people's actions. Yawning spreads more easily between people who are close, family, friends, even pets. It's actually a sign of empathy and connection, not just fatigue. Some studies even show that people who are more empathetic yawn more often when others do. So the next time you catch a yawn, it means your brain is wired to connect. Follow for more mind-blowing psychology facts.